This is Alexander Turinsky with the Threat Insights team, here to discuss a new feature coming down the pipeline, which is being able to filter vulnerabilities via custom scanner. So right now we have a custom scanner with here, and if we go into the scanner filter, we don't see any separation between GitLab vulnerabilities or vulnerabilities found from GitLab scanners or vulnerabilities found from custom scanners is simply by this scanner type. So if I filter for DAST, we get report type DAST in the URL, and these show up still. But if we had GitLab or vulnerabilities found by a GitLab DAST scanner, then those would show up as well, and we want to make this filtering more granular. So what I have added is exactly that. Now in this scanner filter, we see that there are different sections. There's the all at the top, but then there's GitLab filters, and there are the custom filter. And so for every custom scanner or custom scanner filter, for every custom scanner you have, there will be a new section below. So I have there. This is Sam custom scanner. If I add another one called Alexander custom scanner, that would show up under a new header and new filters and new options. And under there is DAST and then the name of the scanner. And click on that, and you get what you expect. Another added feature, you might have noticed that there's some now contrast. These are grayed out, and these are all disabled. You can't click on any of these. I'm clicking on them right now because they wouldn't yield any vulnerabilities. So in the past, if I go here, I search for DAST. If I go all and I choose secret detection, we get this empty page. Sorry, your filter produced no results. Well, why? We now get that information on whether a filter will produce results up front. And so we are using that new information to disable all these scanners that would not produce any results. So these are all disabled here, which is very excellent. Now you can only click on either all or DAST, and that is great. This works on in the URL. That's going to change a little bit before. If I go over here, if I choose DAST, we were just searching by report type DAST, which again did not discriminate between scanners, GitLab or third party. Now the URL is a little bit longer because we need a little bit of extra information to discern between GitLab and third party scanners. And if I refresh this, it should choose the right one. It did not in this instance. That is a bug, and I will work on that. But it should choose the correct one. There is expected to be a little bit of delay because these custom scanners are retrieved from the backend, so they take a little bit of time. So when the page first loads and we don't see any vulnerabilities, the scanner may show up incorrectly. It may show the GitLab one because we create that by default, but it should update appropriately. I will work on that. As you'd expect, this is on the project level dashboard, but also the group and instance level dashboard. So here's the group. I have the scanner. It's separated by vendors. So there's the GitLab section, there's the custom scanner section, or SAM custom scanner section. Again, if you had another custom scanner, it would show up down here as another section. These are all disabled. You can filter as you would expect. And it works as one would expect. And then here we are at the instance level. I moved the scanner filter first because the group and instance level have this extra project scanner, but which I wanted it at the same spot, and I wanted the scanner filter at the same spot, so now it's first, so it's always first. That ordering is correct on all of them. And then here we're at the instance. You see there's a few more options here, and as one would expect, you get all the appropriate there it is. All the appropriate vulnerabilities. Yeah, So that is the new feature. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Threat Insights team. Otherwise, we'll talk to you all later. Bye.